define different kinds of open ecosystem.
Mampiasa ny connaissance botanique mba ahafahana mamaritra karazana écosystème.
This picture I took in Amboy Tanteli, where we went in the beginning of this week.
Ty sary indray nalaiko tany Ambohitately ilay herinandro diantsika tamin'ny fiandohan'ny herinandro ty.
I don't know what kind of orchid it is.
Tsy haiko hoe karazana orchidée inona zao ty.
And also nobody knows, is it a part of an open ecosystem?
Dia tsisy mahafantatra ihany koa hoe tafiditra ao anatin'ny écosystème ouvert ve izy ty.
My personal background and my work in Madagascar has accumulated knowledge of grasses.
Ny fianarako manokana sy ny zava-manodidina teto Madagasikara dia be dia be mihitsy ny fahalalana mahakasika ny resaka herbe hitako.
Dr. Cedric Soufundra-Noatra is here today, and her research was so successful, and me and Joe independently choose the same piece of Cedric's work for the presentation today.
Manatrika antsika eto miaraka antsika eto Dr. Cedric Soufundra-Noatra tena fahombiazana tanteraka le fikarohana nataony ny tenako manokana sy Joe dia misafidy aka ampahany amin'ny voka-pikarohana nataony amin'ny famelamilarana izay ho ataony eto.
Research in South America and around the world shows us that monophyletic radiations and groups of grassland plants are often defined by specific morphologies and have clear differences to the other one.
Ny recherche manerana ny zao tontolo zao Amerika Atsimo sy maneran-tany dia mampiseho fa ny espèce na herbe dia mampiseho misy groupe anankiroa mazava tsara.
On the slide in yellow, the grass in grassland and tapia looks very different from the forest grass in the green.
Hitantsika mavomavo eo amin'ny slide io fa ny prairie sy ny forêt ana tapia dia tena miavaka kokoa raha pitahantsika amin'ilay maitsomaitso.
In this case, we can see the functional trait in the picture.
Dia hitantsika zao le trait fonctionnel amin'ity sary eto ity.
Because the forest grass is in the forest, it is affected by shade, so it has wider leaves.
Ny prairie any forêt dia misy an'ilay ombrage dia manome an'ilay feno amin'izany misy raviny.
So we use the grasses as an example to try to build the methodology for this project.
Nampiasantsika zany ny prairie ohatra mba ahafahantsika manangana ny méthodologie ampiasaina amin'ity projet ity.
This photo I took in Ankarafantsika in northwest Madagascar.
Ty sary ty indray dia tany Ankarafantsika tany atsimo andrefany Madagasikara.
The tree that you see behind you is Acridocarpus.
Ity hazo hitantsika ao aoriana ity dia Acridocarpus.
And I work with a colleague in the UK called Rafael de Almeida.
Miara-miasa amina olona anankiray antsoina hoe Rafael Almeida any Grande-Bretagne.
He works in savannas in South America, and he says this is really a savanna tree in the same way that the South American Acridocarpus are.
Dia miasa amina savanna any Amerika Latine izy dia ozy izy hoe tena mitovy amin'ilay Acridocarpus le savanna.
And in this case, if it's possible, we can also look at the evolutionary tree.
Raha afaka ataontsika izay dia afaka jerentsika koa le evolution an'ilay hazo.
And sometimes, and not always, the plants in the open ecosystem are separate clades.
izay foana mitranga ny plante any amin'ny écosystème ouvert dia
now I hand over the floor to my colleague visiting from the University of Majunga, Dr. Augusto Botovao Ramiandrisu. Please come forward.
Dia manana tre tsy itovizany izao dia